Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nanprakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to see some more examples which depends on the compound interest. See the example. Shamra has taken a loan of rupees 12,500 at a rate of 12 PCPA for 3 years if the interest is compounded annually, then how many rupees should he pay to clear his loan after 3 years? Now see in solution, principal amount P equal to 12,500, rate of interest R equal to 12 PCPA, then duration is n, means time period equal to n equal to 3 years. Now we write down the formula for the compound interest. A equal to P into in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to n. Now put the values. A equal to P 12,500 in bracket 1 plus R is 12 divided by 100 and bracket raised to 3. Now take the sum of this bracket quantity 12,500 into in bracket, now 100 into 100 and 1 into 12 is 12, so divided by 1 into 100, then 100 plus 12 is 112. This 12,500 as it is in bracket, sum of this 112 divided by this 100 bracket raised to 3. Then we can write down the product of this quantity, bracket quantity 3 times. So 12,500 into 112 divided by 100 into 112 divided by 100 into 112 divided by 100. Firstly, we cancel this 2 0 with this 2 0. Then we divide this 125 by 25. 25 5 is a 125. So we get here, we divide this 100 by 25, we get here 4. Then this 4 divide to the 112, that is we get 28. Then we divide this 100 by 5, we get 20. Then again we divide this 20 by 2 and this 28 by 2, we get here 10 and here 14. So remaining numbers is 112, then this 112, then this 14 and divided by this 10. Now take the product of these 3 numbers that we get here 1,75,616 divided by 10. Then we divide this quantity, we get here 17,561.60. Now the Shamra should pay rupees 17,561 .60 to clear his loan after 3 years. Now application of formula for compound interest. Now we see some more points in the compound interest. See application of formula for compound interest. This formula is called the compound interest formula for finding the total amount. A equal to P into in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to n. Then we write down here A equal to P into 1 minus R divided by 100 raised to n. This formula is used for the depression, and this formula is used for the finding the value after 3 years, 4 years. Now we can use this formula for solving some problems. This formula is used for the depression of the machine or vehicle. So, and this formula is used for the total population after 5 years, 6 years. Good day, goodbye, okay.